How to change interest in Pinterest app. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. Here you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on diverse range of topics. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change interest in Pinterest app. For that, you need to open your Pinterest app or the website. This is your home page. Below you will see some icons. Click on the profile icon in the left below. You will be guided to this page. Click on Setting buttons at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings. You will find various options here. We need to select the option that says Home Feed Tuner. Once you find it, click on it. You will see Interest option next to Activity. Click on Interest. These are the topics that you have selected to show your interest in. If you want to remove them, click on the stick button and it will be removed. Also, if you want to add them back, again click on that plus icon and it will be added. If you want to add more topics, click on Add Topics. Here you will find more such topics. Scroll down to explore more. Once you find the topics that you are interested in, click on plus sign to add them. So in this way, you can change your interest on Pinterest. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.